Hey everybody, this is Ashmit, and today I'm gonna tell you how to code. This is the tutorial number one, and we will have a lot of videos. It depends on the number of views I get, on the number of likes I get. Now that is really evil. So, anyways, let's just go over here, type in Visual Studio Code. Now, this one I particularly like because this one has some features that others don't have, or I don't really know. I don't know. I just tried this one. It's so easy to use. Just like that, you head over to the site, and after that, you just download for Windows or for Mac. It's available for any operating system. It's available for Linux also. So after downloading, you get this VS Code setup, code user setup. Now, Visual Studio is already installed on my computer, so it is giving me an error. So I am sure that you can install Visual Studio Code on your own after downloading the setup. Now, this is also trusted because it is from Microsoft and all, and it is a very trusted company. So after that, just head over here, open Visual Studio Code, make a new folder, open your one of your drives, and then just like this drive, and just name it. What should I name it? Just name it Python Python tutorial. Now after making this folder, just get it over here. 1 minute. Yeah. Then you need to just make the folder and head over to this. Now I have to just I have headed over to the wrong file. I'll just delete this one. This one was just for test. Right. Yeah. So I moved it to the recycle bin and let's create a new file. Name it Python tutorial by me. And now just save it with the extension .py because it is the extension for Python. Now you will not straight away get this. You will not straight away get this Python icon. You will not straight away get anything. You first need to download a few extensions, and the ones I have, you can just copy them. Pylons, then Python. After that, just you need these two. All right. And if you want to download CodeRunner, you can. I was facing some issues, so I did not. Uh, all right. Let's head over to the Explorer. Go in here and just type our first line of code. Now, one thing to show you why I made you download Pylons is because it auto completes if you press tab on your computer. So it auto completes the things, and that is a real time. So let's just write hello world and just execute this program because this would be very much fortunate and appreciated. Hello world. Now this is all the things that you will get. Now let me just kill the terminal. Yeah, just kill it. And yeah, that is pretty much the basic code. Now this is the code that every person writes on his first line of code. I don't know why. It's just like encoding verse. Now making things up. So print means just showing the things like console.log if you're coming from HTML, like anything. All right. Now let us see. All right. A now if I take a variable which is basically a container which I will use to put things which I will use to put things inside such as my name, input it inside anything. Ashmet, and just print this, print A. Alright, now also it's not throwing me up with an error, so it means that the things are sorted, and we just run this code. Now Ashmit is printed on the terminal, and that is a thing. So if you print this, then you get the result. You basically print the container, so you get what is inside it. Like you open the container, like you call the container, like calling a function. Alright, no spoilers. Now, second, you need to do this thing that will require you to, uh, like, suppose I have two values. Alright, now you can obviously write two values, p and x 78. Now just write print, just go and just print x comma z, x comma p, and now this is gonna get executed. I can tell you 100% sure about that. See, 123 and 78. Now to make it more interesting, you can just add a few elements inside, such as uh, suppose I write hello, we are x comma p, and just write x and p, and write print x and p. Then after that, a minute, just add a comma so that it separates. It is a very important thing required. All right. When after that you just execute this, and you get hello, we are x and p and one and their values. All right. If I say x and p, and when we add up, we do great things, great things. Yeah. So you just make them add. All right. These are the arithmetic calculations. Now, when you do x plus p, you can do things like this. Now, hello, we are x and p, and when we add up, we do great things. So that is the thing. And then, if you want to, suppose, 1 minute, let me just comment things out. Now, you may ask what is commenting. When somebody has to take notes, he doesn't want it to get read, that Python does not interpret it. So he uses this comment out function, and you just to select a number of lines like this, and just press Control slash on your Windows, your PC or laptop. If you have a Mac, then you can do command slash. I don't really know about that because I don't have one. Alright, then you just need to do x equals 45. Now, if I add to x plus, now if I add to x, like x plus equals, now plus equals 5. So if now I print x itself, so then guess what will happen? Yeah, yeah. If you think that the value of the x, the variable will be changed, then you are right. Because now x is equal to 50. First it was 45, then I added 5 to it, then just this, print x. Now that is the thing, right? That is the main thing. You can do other things like division and all those things. Now, if you want to do something like uh, maybe you need to add three values or more, then you can just put them inside another value. Let's see if that works. But I don't really want to see, right? It will surely not work. But let me tell you now about comments properly. First, it was like half-heartedly I was telling you. So now, if I put this is called a multi-line comment. See, I selected them first, then I pressed Control slash on my keyboard. These all things. But when people in ancient times, like it was very very ancient, so people used to do some things like they used to use a multi-line comment. Now, when you use a multi-line comment, you can comment many things at once. So if I say hello there, this is Ashmat. Um, this is Ashmat, and and I I am the author of these lines of lines of code. So see, and if I write something like my birthday is on 13th of November. So see, this is a multi-line comment. Now in a normal one, let's do pound symbol like that. In a normal one, if I write just Ashmat, and then I press space, then no kind of pound symbol comes over here. So if you're lazy enough, you can't even select things, you can use the multi-line comment. All right, I don't use it that much. I'm not that lazy. Well, enough talking. Let's move on. So the next thing I want to tell you is that you can even specify a certain thing, like if you do, but that will be handy in other lectures. So this is these are the things in print X, and if you want to learn more, then on this video I would appreciate at least 30 likes, and if I if we hit like 110 subscribers, I'm sure it's very easy for you guys because I don't get that much subscribers, let's be honest. Now, where am I leading this lecture to? I don't know. So, this was the tutorial number 1 of Python series, Python courses. So, this is Ashmet, and keep on practicing, and peace out.